Persia's sun, from Yemen's hills to Rome. From Cochin Spice to Brooklyn streets we built a Jewish home. The diasporas, the scattered tribes, still faced one land, one call. Yerushalayim in our hearts, our roots, our crown, our all. Some wear the vest of Ashkenazic with fur and Yiddish songs. Some wear the colors Sephardim have carried hard and long. The Mizrahi chant in desert tones, the Beta Israel pray, and all beneath the same talit are counted in one way. We share one tale, one holy thread that winds from Egypt's gate through Surah, Spain, and Villa's fire, and Rome's relentless hate. The past is not a wound alone, but heritage we hold. A tapestry of trial and trust, and silver stitched with gold. The covenant still binds us fast, from Sinai's trembling flame to every heart that learns and loves and honors God's great name. We teach, we build, we bless, we mend, in homes and books and schools, a culture fierce which sheds its light and Torah's ancient rules. For though we dress and speak apart, our faith is not undone. Shorsh and deep beneath the ground, feed branches toward the sun. After unity of sacred kind, a family not by birth, but by the fire we still pass down that never leaves the earth. So let them count us few or strange, we stand not here to blend. In Am I died and scored alone, but faithful to the end. And every Jew, for every Jew shall rise.